Get ready for the dictation. Start. He has come before the court on the contention that colon he is innocent semicolon there is no motive for the incident semicolon there are no stab injuries were caused to CWs semicolon complainant was never admitted to the hospital semicolon his name is not mentioned in the wound certificate semicolon no identification parade was held to identify him semicolon no recoveries pertaining to the crime was done semicolon he is a permanent resident of caused title address semicolon he had aged parents to look after semicolon he is ready to abide by any stringent condition that may be imposed on him full stop para the prosecution opposes the petition full stop in the objection statement it is stated that if he is enlarged on bail semicolon he will threaten and tamper the witnesses semicolon there will be breach of peace and tranquility in the village semicolon in fact the previous application filed by the petitioner herein at the crime stage was rejected on noticing that the investigation was not yet complete full stop now comma there is change of circumstance comma for him to move the second bail petition comma in view of the completion of investigation and filing of charge sheet to the court full stop without going to the merits of the case comma I consider the fact that the alleged offense is not answerable with measure punishment, comma, it may consume some more time to meet its logical end, full stop, till then, comma, the judicial custody need not be pre-trial conviction, full stop, under the circumstances, comma, I hold that it is appropriate to enlarge him on bail, comma, subject to condition, full stop, hence, comma, I answer above point in the affirmative and proceed to pass the following colon para order. The petition is allowed, full stop, para. The petitioner is enlarged on bail in crime number 361/2012 of Doddaballapura Rural Police Station on he executing a self bond for Rs 1 lakh with one surety for the like sum on following conditions, colon, para. The surety shall produce proof of his residence address to the court, semicolon, para. The petitioner shall not leave the sessions jurisdiction of this court without prior information to the investigation officer, semicolon, para. He shall not tamper the evidence and threaten the prosecution witnesses, semicolon,